my goodness. These are adorable. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of this 2-pack of nonstick 8x8 pans in this beautiful blue color. I tell you, the camera doesn't even pick up this blue color. We are going to make a few things in these to show you guys how well they work. Oh my goodness. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So we are going to test out 2 different things. In one of these, we're going to make some cornbread, and in the other one, we're going to make some sweet potatoes with marshmallows on top, because why the heck not? We got to make dinner anyway, we might as well test out these pans. They are non-stick, but the recipe we're using does say to spray your pan, so we are going to go ahead and spray it lightly. We're making cornbread in this one. This is going to be delicious. We're going to bake this and see how it turns out. And then in the one behind you, which you can see, we're doing a little sweet potato casserole. So we're going to heat up some sweet potatoes in there, make some cornbread, and show you guys how this turns out. I can't get over the color of these pans. I know. I have red pans, I have blue pans. Nothing is color coordinated in this house, but these are adorable. Okay. This looks burnt. It's really not. It's just the lighting in here.
You could adjust your lighting.
Yeah, I could, but I'm not gonna. If I move it this way, it looks less burnt. So the cornbread turned out good. Look at it came, and I only lightly sprayed this. Came right off the sides. So I'm going to agree with the non-stick on that pan. Well, that looks like it's turned out pretty perfect. That'll be a good test when we scoop that out of there. This pan, I did not spray first.
Oh, really?
So when we scoop this out of here, we're going to show you how easy this comes out of the pan. Okay, so this has settled a bit. Look at that!
Whoops.
Marshmallows stick to everything.
It already stuck to the spatula.
Yeah, but look what it's not sticking to.
It didn't.
It did not stick to the pan. Pretty cool. So if you guys are looking for 2 really nice 8x8 size pans, we recommend these.